there. So this is my leftover pork roast, and I added a little barbecue sauce. These are going to be some delicious pork sandwich. This is my German pork roast, and I just put a little barbecue sauce. So what I want to do is just pile I want to make some pretty substantial pork sandwiches. We're not eating until late. And so, okay, so now, that's my leftover pork sandwiches. I'll put them this way. And what I like to do is I like to put pickle relish, sweet pickle relish. And I got this pickle relish cheap. I think it was Ralph's. And then I made some little fruit salads. And what I wanted to mention about the fruit salads is when I buy yogurt, I look around for I got these two for 44 cents, but what I wanted to mention was the other day when I bought the fruit salads, I usually cut my oranges up in chunks, but this is much more pleasant. And I have a little vanilla chai tea. And this is my new teapot. The cameraman's getting the cookies. Oh my gosh. And a little sugar. And I bought those cookies. Those are lemon cookies from Dollar Tree. And they're really delicious with tea. And could you get the shot over here of my new tea set? I bought it so cheap. And it's so cute. I got it for $5. Such a good deal. And then, you know, a lot of vegetarians follow me. So I wanted to give you my vegetable curry recipe. And you can add any vegetables, and this is a tried and true recipe, and it will make a big giant pot full. You know, if you're going to make like a half a pot full, just use half a can. Okay, God bless you all, and I will be back with dinner.